Hi everyone, I'm Karen. Today I'm going to show you this huge sketchbook slash art journal that I made in 2017. I made it all by myself. Also this binding, I watch a lot of YouTube videos. It's not perfect, but it holds pretty good. I found a good quality paper that I can use with mixed media, watercolor, acrylics, marker, and it doesn't bleed to the next page. That's very important. So I'm here to show you. If you want to grab a cup of coffee, it's going to take a while because look, it's very big. If you don't want to hear my voice, you just can mute it and put some music. It's also good. I'm not very good at saying when I have to say why I did this, what does it mean? I just do it. I find all this drawing that comes from inside. I don't do any sketch before. I just jump right into the drawing. I like doing these textures, mixing a lot of colors. These are some leaves from 2017 fall. Most of these backgrounds are made in watercolor. This is some glittery washi tape and some post-its. Oh, sorry, skip this. Those are some gel pens, neon gel pens. I really like this one. Sometimes I use some wax crayons. And those are some embellishment from scrapbooking. I find this beautiful. Some neon colors. This one is perfect for YouTube. There's always an eye looking at you. I use a lot of washi tape. I have a huge collection. Some chicken. Sorry, it's very loud. I'm outside. I just like the light here. I use natural light. So it's very loud. I use a lot of glitter. Someone told me that using glitter is not very professional. I really don't care. I like glittery stuff and mixing more than 3 colors. Feather. Shiny stuff. Very weird stuff. That's weird. That's me. A little bit younger. Some hands. They are not very proportional, but they are just my style. Shiny stuff. This is more watercolors. Some cacti. I love this one. It was a postcard or something. Look how it shines. More chicken, of course. I was a little obsessed, and I'm still I'm obsessed with chicken. I don't know why, don't ask. Have no idea. colors. Yeah. Chicken. That was a wrapping paper. I don't want to skip any pages. Some of them are very, very thick. Those are my lips with some lip gloss. Twins. This is one of my favorites. Shiny. That's colorful in German. Some little houses. More texture. Oh, make this together. This is some napkin with a peacock. It looks very shiny because I used some packing tape to protect it. I love skulls. You already know, I guess. If you watch all of my videos, you've seen I draw a lot of skulls there. This one was more like this. If you want to watch this closely, I recommend you to subscribe to this channel and also go to my Instagram. I made some good photos of this one with a background. They look very nice. This one is a Katie Tunstall song. So I went to a flea market and I found this beautiful old photo, and this is supposed to be a flea, a very weird one. Another song. More twins. This is the last one. So I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on. Please write some comments for me, and see you next time.